My name's Tim. I became a blacksmith while I was studying visual arts. I got a casual job at Sovereign Hill. After a few years, I ended up settling here at Dilges Blacksmith. My day-to-day job here is manufacturing goods, but the main purpose behind that is to perform demonstrations. So people passing through, walking through our shop, have the opportunity to watch a blacksmith in action, which isn't something you see every day. The role of blacksmith certainly has changed since the Industrial Revolution. For us, to be able to show a trade that's very hands-on, just gives people an idea of what actually goes into making products. So within Sovereign Hill itself, we do have quite a few rare trades represented. We have 3 separate blacksmithing displays. We've been developing a new hands-on experience, which gives visitors the opportunity to come on this side of the fence and manufacture a basic item. In this case, we made a fire poker together. So this is a different way that we can represent the trade. So not just people watching and observing how we do it, but actually get a hands-on experience and have a go at it themselves. So passing the skills on rather than just the knowledge of the trade itself.